Hey guys, welcome back to the iPhone Topics YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to fix iPhone 16 Pro Max camera button issues. Let's get started. Solution 1. Adjust side button behavior. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch to enable an on-screen button that you can use to lock your phone without using the side button. Solution 2. Use a longer press for locking. Instead of a quick press, try pressing and holding the side button for a second or two to ensure it locks. This can help avoid the accidental unlocking from an unintended touch. Solution 3. Disable Face ID or attention aware features. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Enable Face ID and passcode. I hope this solution fixes your issue. If it doesn't, try other solutions. Solution 4. Update iOS to the latest version. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Update your iPhone iOS to the latest version. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our iPhone Topics YouTube channel.